Hi, good morning, dear Capricorn. Yeah. Hi, good morning. This is Anjali Chan, and this is a general of reading for all the Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime, honey. The third thing, this is a reading from today. This is a reading from today till the end, till the 10th of November. Okay. So let's start. Capricorn, your partner's current energy right now is, let's see. Your partner's current energy right now is, let's see. Emperor could be dealing with an Aries here. Your partner right now is taking some kind of decision. They are just sticking to that decision no matter how hard it is or how rude it is sounding to anyone, or it is looking to anyone, but this person has taken certain kind of decision and they are acting like, yes, this is my decision and that is what I'm going to do and that is how I'm going to do it. Okay. This is what they are doing right now. This is their current energy. Let's clarify the Emperor in their current energy. Let's see. Six of Swords and the Ace of Pentacles and the Ace of Swords. Oh God. They have decided that they are going to leave the past baggage behind. They are going to restart the connection on a surface level, from a surface level, you can say from scratch, and they are just going to cut out all the negativity and toxicity, and they are going to be victorious and successful. This is what they have decided. They are feeling like this person right now is deciding that they are going to leave the past behind. Every shit that is weighing them down, they are just going to leave that and they are going to find a peaceful future. They are going to start their life with scratch and cut out all the negativity and toxicity and going to be victorious. This is their current energy. Got it? Okay. Let's see what's your current energy. Capricorn, your current energy right now is, let's see. Chariot could be dealing with the Cancerian here. You're trying to move on. You're trying to move on and you're very determined. You are also very, very determined that I am going to do that. No matter how hard it is, I am just going to do that. Okay? Might be you're just trying to move on from this particular connection or a person, but you are very, very determined that you are going to get success and you are born to get success. This is your current energy. Let me clarify. You're trying to move on from a situation and you are determined to come out of your comfort zone to get that thing that you want in your life. This is what you are currently doing. Let me clarify. Three of Cups and the Fool and the Two of Wands. You are moving on and you are very, very determined to have a reconciliation. You are very, very determined. You are moving on from the past situation and you are very, very determined to get a reconciliation done. Okay? And you are just trying to take the leap of faith with the universe and take the risk of your life with them, risk of your you can say relationship with this particular person, whomsoever you are connected, and you will just wait for the right time to hit it. Okay, you are very determined to get this person back in your life and you are ready to take the leap of faith with the universe and you are ready to trust the universe and trust the process. You are just waiting for the right time to nail it. Okay, to do it, you can say. Cool, got it. Let's see what this person feels for you. Let's see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you. Seven of Wands. Seven of Wands. This is what they feel for you. They feel kind of spiritual connection with you. Okay. They feel like right now not talking to you or being silent is the best option. They feel kind of heartful connection with you. Okay, they feel like this is not the right time to react or act upon a situation. They will act upon this, but they will take time. So what they feel for you, they feel passionate energy, they feel love for you, they feel a heartfelt, heart to heart connection with you. Let me clarify. Right now they're silent. Might be they're turning their back towards you, not talking to you, but they feel like yes, you both have a spiritual connection. They feel a spiritual connection with you. Let me clarify. Queen of Cups and the Empress and the Nine of Wands. This person does have feelings for you, I told you. They feel like you look like an empress, you look gorgeous, you look handsome, and you're doing good in life. But they feel like you're moving on, that is hurting them. They feel like you're moving on and you are focusing more on your life, more on yourself right now. You're not focusing on the love part or the relationship part, and you are just looking good and flirting around with people, and that is hurting them. That is hurting them, and they carry lots of love for you. Okay, so because you are moving on and they are feeling heartbroken, and they feel like a soulful connection with you, heart to heart connection with you. So they have lots of love for you. They feel love for you, they feel concern for you. They feel like you are someone who is very gorgeous or very handsome and kind of mini celebrity to them, but they feel hurt. Although they are hurt, they are not ready to give up on this situation. They feel a heart to heart connection with you. They feel spiritual connection with you. Got it. Let me see what this person wants from you. Let me see what this person wants from you. Queen of Swords, clarity. What this person wants from you is clarity. Okay, they want you to come, cut the negativity, cut the crap, cut the toxicity, and just talk to them and clearly. Just tell them what exactly you want from this from this relationship or from this connection. Don't play hide and seek. Don't play games. Just be very clear and honest with them. This is what they want from you. Let me clarify the Queen of Swords. They just want you to be very clear and honest with them without any kind of hustle. Just be clear and open and honest. Page of Wands and the Tower and the Knight of Wands. Okay, they feel like what they want from you is they want to have a communication, clear and honest communication. They want you to break the old pattern. Okay, if it is breakup thing, if this is what you want to break permanently, just do that. This is what they want from you. Openly do that, and just restart. Just follow your passion. Okay, just restart. Be open and clear. And communicate clearly, honestly. Tell them exactly what you want, and if you want this connection to break and separate from them, tell them exactly this is what you want from them, and they want you to be passionate again. This is kind of weird energy, I got it, but they want to break up and break the old cycle, break the old pattern, and bring the passion back in this connection. This is what they want from you. They want to bring the passion back in this connection. Okay, cool. This is non-committal energy, by the way. Okay, let's see what is coming towards it till 10th of November. Tower in reverse. Tower in reverse or tower in upright position doesn't make much difference. But yeah, you guys are going to have a final decision over this connection that let's separate. This connection is falling apart. You guys, the weak foundation is falling apart. Or it could be a sudden realization also, that you are suddenly realizing something, that yes, this should be like this, or I'm feeling like this, what should I do? What should I do? Like this also, it could be like this also. Let me clarify the Tower in reverse as a potential outcome for you. See, Queen of Pentacles and the Hierophant could be dealing with the Taurus here, and the Six of Cups. Okay, there will be sudden realization and there will be falling apart, but this falling apart is good because I feel like you are going to heal. You will suddenly realize that you are going to heal. You will suddenly realize that you are healing from a certain situation. Now you are ready to get married or in a committed relationship with the past person. It could be them, it could be anybody related to your past. Okay, so because of the memories, because of the connection that you guys share with each other, now you are ready to have a committed, long-term committed relationship and or marriage with them. You will suddenly realize this thing. This is a sudden realization for you or for them. It could be you, it could be them, or it could be both of you that are going to realize that this relationship is a wonderful connection, and let's start with maturity and let's see where it is going. Let's be in a committed relationship and or in a marriage situation, okay? Because we love each other and we can't live without, and we can't live with each other. Remember, live without each other or leave each other. This is the thing. Okay, so this is going to be a sudden realization, falling apart and getting back together. Okay, because of the love memories that you guys had. So thank you so much, Capricorn, for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.